In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data to Excel in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing your business finances, preparing for tax season, or simply keeping your reports organized, exporting data is a key skill that can save you time and provide greater flexibility for analyzing your financial information. QuickBooks Online makes this process straightforward, and today I'll walk you through it step by step so you can confidently export your data whenever you need it. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Let's get started. First, open QuickBooks Online and look for the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. This is your settings menu, and it's where you'll find a variety of options to customize and manage your account. Click on the gear icon to open the menu. Next, from the Settings menu, select Export Data. This will take you to the Export page where you can begin configuring your data export. If you don't see the Export Data option, there may be a permissions issue. Make sure you have the right user role to access this feature. If necessary, contact your admin or check your user role in the account settings. Once you're on the Export Data page, you'll need to set the date range for the reports you want to export. You can do this by choosing one of the preset options, such as last month or last year. Alternatively, if you want to be more specific, you can manually select a start date and an end date that fit your needs. After setting the date range, it's time to choose the reports you want to include in your export. QuickBooks Online allows you to select from various report types, including the general ledger, profit and loss, balance sheet, trial balance, and journal. Carefully select the reports that are relevant to your purpose. If applicable, you'll also need to choose the accounting method for your reports. This can be either the accrual method or the cash method. Make sure your selection aligns with how you typically present your financial data so that everything remains consistent. Now that you've customized your export settings, click on the Export to Excel button. QuickBooks will generate your reports and compile them into a downloadable file. Depending on the volume of data, this step may take a few moments. Once the file has been downloaded, save it to a location on your computer that you'll remember. It's a good idea to rename the file or folder to include the reporting period and the type of report. For example, you could name it 2023-Q1 General Ledger for easy reference later. Now, open the file in Excel. If prompted, make sure to enable editing so you can work with the data. Take a few minutes to review the exported data and verify its accuracy. Double-check the date range and compare the totals with the figures in QuickBooks to ensure everything matches up properly. And that's it. You've successfully exported your data from QuickBooks Online to Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.